Hello everyone, my name is Chandan Sharma. Today I am here to discuss the case with you of our assignment. In this assignment, the key considerations related to the liabilities and obligations of the auditors are portrayed using the case of Royal Bank of Scotland versus Bannerman, Johnstone, Maclay. This case is about the insolvencies of two companies. First company is APC Limited and the other company is APC Civils Limited, which is the subsidiary of that company. This case is about insolvency of two companies, and the pursuers of this case are the bankers of these companies named APC Limited and APC Civils Limited, which I told you that is the subsidiary of APC Limited. And the defenders of this case are the auditors of these two companies. Now, there are two reasons why the pursuers pursued this case. Pursuers are the bankers. The reason is they want to claim the damages sustained by them as the consequence of the negligence on the part of defenders in preparing the auditing report of APC Limited and APC Civils Limited. And the second reason why they pursued the case is the fraud conducted by these companies. The fraud is that one of the employee of the defenders company, that are the auditors, is in close relationship with APC Limited. So the further this case will be discussed by my another group member, and she's continue the case. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Mauli. Today I will discuss the cause and effects of the issue. The disclaimers for liabilities were not provided in the annual report of the company. The completed audit report of APC Civil were not provided. APC Civil incurred a huge amount of loss. APC Civil Limited was accused by the investor for the manipulation of the financial data. Defenders were completely aware of the facts related to the relationship between the APC. The submission of the defenders were rejected due to the facts that the duty of care was not being determined by the defenders. Certain equity funds were also injected in both of the companies based upon the result of the auditors. Now my third team member, Usha, will discuss the auditing and accounting issues in brief. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Usha Nakarani. Now I am going to explain my part auditing and accounting issues. There are some points. First one is uncompleted audit report of APC Civil. Second one is lack of proper disclaimers for the liabilities of the company. And last one is interference of the independent auditors as the finance controller of the company. There are root causes of the issues. First one is company was already in debt when it started its journey. Second one is considerations related to the relationship of Maclay was also another cause of the issues. And last one is due to the fact that Maclay had a brief relationship with the management of APS Limited. Now my fourth team member will explain further, which is key reasons for the issues. Thank you.
Hello friends, my name is Zanil Mandani and my part is about the main key reasons for the issue in this case study. There are some reasons behind the issue, such as manipulation of the accounting data and interference of the audit members in the internal operation of the entity. And there are some problems, mistakes and misrepresentation by defendants, such as certain allegations which was made by the pursuers in case of the fraudulent scheme charge against the defendants. First mistake was done by the defenders was due to the additionally incurred direct cost and expense. This was in regards to the spares, repairs and associated labors was capitalized along with the plant. As example, in this case study, the company was also to reduce its profits and loss accounts and assets value of the balance sheet was manipulated to increase in this report. Beside this, PT cash receipts were being treated as a single year and capitalization was being manipulated in these procedures. Now the next part will be explained by the Digan. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Digant Kumar Patel. Here I'm going to discuss about my part in this case study, which is about the deficiencies of the defenders, in which we can see inability to performing the auditing duties in the time. Second one is insufficient data in the financial report, and the last one is unable to perform the duty of care. Now, disclaimer of the liabilities were also not being taken into consideration by the auditor in respect of demand proposed by the pursuer. Second one is involvement of an auditing staff as a finance controller of an entity, and the last one is duties of care was another key consideration where the defender was supposed to fulfill the requirement of the client with utter dignity. And the last part of this case study, which is conclusion, which is explained by our last team member, Akanksha. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Kansha Prabhakar Rao and I'm going to present the final part of the case study. So firstly, I would like to talk about the recommendations points. First one is that there should be proper independence in the auditing procedures. Secondly, satisfy the investors by completing audit report in a proper manner and also on time. Thirdly, the consideration of duty of responsibility in terms of exchanging relationship should be in a proximity. And the final conclusion would be that there are certain points which need to be evaluated. Those are, in this, the consideration of auditor was towards the allegations against the company's lack of disclaimer of liabilities, and also there was loss which was incurred by APC civils. Here, the defender had upper hand due to lack of evidence to prove any liability towards the company. This is our case, and I really want to thank all our team members who have helped in creating this presentation. Thank you so much.